10 DIY room dividers you can build. What better room divider for an upholstery collective than one made of organic fibers? Morgan Satterfield, who loves remodeling her mid-century modern home near Palm Springs, has a friend who offers upholstery classes in a giant warehouse, and that warehouse was just too big. Adding a divider near the door was the perfect way to soften this cavernous space. Studio apartment dwellers know how cabin fever can develop. Something about having just one room really cranks up the claustrophobia. It intensifies when two people dwell in that same single room. Can this be fixed? If you want a DIY room divider that is easy to put together, look no further than this one. Jennifer Eckert over at the design blog Fresh Crush was dialed up to genius levels when she dreamed up this fabric-covered room divider, hitting every DIY sweet spot there is. A classic DIY room divider is one that has found its way into college dorms and other shared spaces for decades, the carefully positioned bookcase. This is one IKEA hack that is more about placement than it is about drills, screws, and saws. All you have to do is rotate a shelving unit so that it is perpendicular to the wall. You might be excused for thinking that this DIY room divider looks like fabric. Except it isn't. Instead, this is a coiled metal wire mesh that drapes and hangs just like fabric. Oregon's Cascade Coil made this room divider for a Hyatt hotel. But do-it-yourself makers can purchase metal coil products directly from the company and make wonderful things. Anybody who has ever taken a sledgehammer to a plaster wall knows the distinctive, beautiful strips of wood that emerge from the dust once the plaster surface is removed. These are the lath boards. In traditional construction, lath was nailed to the studs and acted as a base for the wet plaster coating. TerraCycle, a New Jersey-based recycling company, practices what it preaches with this innovative vinyl record divider at its Trenton headquarters. If you are interested in making your own room divider, this project is as simple as purchasing low-cost LP vinyl records at a local thrift store and joining them with fishing line. Both horrified and amused that a Boston retailer was charging a fortune for a pallet wood room divider, Stacy and husband Doug made their own. After sourcing local pallets for materials, they quickly put together this divider to separate one big room into an office-bedroom combination. Emily at the fun craft blog Jones Design Company spent very little on this gorgeous salvaged antique window sash. After mounting it to the ceiling with a barn door track, she and her family had an instant DIY room divider. As Emily notes, she wanted to define the space yet keep things bright and open. This window does just the trick. Design blogger Susan wasn't eager to trash her outdated but fully functional tri-fold room divider. As a mother, grandmother, and teacher, it's not exactly setting a good example to send stuff that still works to a landfill. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.